Dear friends, we are going to be using division operator, a slash in your keyboard. In row number 3, we have dividend values. In row number 4, we have divisor. And here we are going to enter the formula. So dividend divided by, which is a backslash, this operator, 1. Value 2 is in B3, the cell reference for this particular cell, and value 1 is in B4. So B3 divided by B4, enter in your keyboard, you will get the answer. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Okay, so here's the active cell, and we are going to drag the formula all the way to the right until the last column, and you will see that 2 divided by 1 is 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 50 divided by 2 is 25, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So this is the quotient, dividend, divisor, and that's it. This is horizontal division, dividing horizontally in Microsoft Excel. We are going to use the same for operator, the slash symbol sign. We are going to use it in this column, and we are going to do the division vertically. Here is the value 2 divided by 1. So 2 divided by 1 will be definitely 2. Enter in the keyboard, press enter key, and here you will see 2. So the cell reference is A4 because value 2 is in A4 and value 1 is in B4. Alright, active cell, and then drag the value with your left mouse button or with your touchpad. You can use, find out the keys that you are using, the buttons that you are using, and then drag it down all the way until the last value, and you will see that 2 divided by 1 is 2, 15 divided by 3 is 5, 10 divided by 5 is 2, for example, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So this is quotient, dividend, divisor. That's it. Have a nice day. Take care of yourselves.